Welcome to HitX, the YouTube channel that brings you compilations and detailed commentary on the most notable car accidents. Today, we'll dive into dramatic moments, analyze the causes, and draw lessons from real-life traffic incidents. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of our latest videos at HitX. Hold on tight, everyone. This jaw-dropping crash is absolutely insane. Can you even imagine what went horribly wrong here? Oh man, what a heart-pounding head-on collision. Was it reckless speed or a shocking distraction? You've got to tell me your guess. This is unreal. A split-second choice turned everything upside down. I'm dying to know. Would you have dared to do the same? Holy smokes, the brakes just gave up. Total nightmare fuel. Picture yourself in this terrifying mess. How would you survive it? Oh no, they hit that curb blind. Disaster was inevitable. What's that one golden rule? Drivers always forget in the heat of it. Talk about a nail-biter. Was this a rookie's dumb move or just cruel luck? I'm torn, so you've got to weigh in with your take. We're diving deeper into chaos now. This gut-wrenching crash could have been stopped. Stick around because the answers chain reaction is pure chaos. Cars piling up like dominoes. Can you spot the shocking first mistake that sparked it all? Yikes! The weather's turned vicious, slippery roads, and zero mercy. Is rain or snow the ultimate killer combo for drivers? Get ready for a wild showdown. Truck versus car. Pure madness. I'm on edge. Who do you think screwed up big time? Tell me below. Tech betrayal at its finest. This crash screams danger. Are self-driving cars our salvation or just a ticking time bomb? Heart-stopping moment alert. A desperate swerve at the last second. Could lightning-fast reflexes have turned this tragedy around? Patience runs dry, and boom, disaster strikes hard. Have you ever lost your cool behind the wheel? This one's a brutal wake-up call. Unbelievable! A quiet road turns into a screaming disaster zone. What's the sneakiest danger every driver overlooks until it's too late? What an explosive finale! This crash is pure adrenaline. If your jaw's on the floor like mine, smash that like button now. Brace yourself! This crash is an absolute gut punch. One tiny slip, and it's total devastation. What could have stopped this horror? Boom! What's going on? This is pure pandemonium. Tires screeching, metal crunching, pure terror. Ever wonder how split-second panic flips the script? Ready for a shocker. Visibility drops to 0, and bam, a bone-chilling crash out of nowhere. What's lurking in the blind spot that turns a calm drive into sheer terror? Oh wow, the tension's unbearable. A high-speed chase ends in fiery chaos. Who's the reckless daredevil behind this insane mess? And that's a wrap, folks. What an insane ride through these jaw-dropping crashes. If your heart's still racing from all the chaos, smash that like button and tell us your wildest driving story in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. We've got more mind-blowing moments coming your way on HitX. See you in the next one.